Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have your Vapi key and a configured environment variable so requests authenticate securely. Once done, install the official SDK or confirm curl works. This speeds debugging. Next, build your first request with the proper endpoint, HTTP method, and a minimal JSON body to validate connectivity. Make sure to set headers like content type and authorization. This first call confirms your network, auth, and basic request structure before adding complexity. Now you expand the request. Add required parameters and optional flags to control behavior. Once done, implement robust response handling with retries and exponential backoff for transient errors, and check HTTP status codes to branch logic. Parse the JSON response, map keys to your data models, and validate types to avoid runtime errors. Make sure to log raw responses for troubleshooting and sanitize logs to never expose Vapi keys or user data while you iterate. Finish by encapsulating Vapi interactions into reusable functions or classes so you can unit test and stub them later. Once done, add monitoring for latency and error rates and set alerts to catch regressions early. If something goes wrong, reproduce the failing request using saved logs and a mock environment, compare headers and payloads, and isolate network versus API errors. Make sure to rotate keys if you suspect compromise. Otherwise, detailed logs usually reveal the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.